that mommy? There you go, buddy. Oh, here. Hey? Oh, no, are you camera shy? It's okay, baby. I just want to have memories of you forever. In our little moment. Yeah, you're camera shy. Yeah, you don't want to do it in front of the camera. I know, me neither. Hi, buddy. You're so cute. You're just a handsome birdie. You've been with me for so long, and only this year I get to touch you. Hey, yo, we have cuddles at night, sometimes in the morning. I'm so sorry. Hey? Hey? Too much with the camera? I'm sorry. He's camera shy, he says. You don't like the camera. Hey, what if I put the camera away? Will you come back? Yeah. Hi, baby. Oh, so I'm sorry. Hey? Don't tell anyone. Hey, Wally. Hi, Wally.